Snow, ice, and wind pummeling even more of the country, this time knocking out power to nearly 1 million people across the Midwest. Most of those outages in Michigan, where a volunteer firefighter was killed when a tree brought down a high-voltage line.
Volunteer this time here for free, gave us life for free.
In Wisconsin, authorities say snow likely caused the partial collapse of a parking garage at a shopping mall. Today, Minneapolis under a snow emergency.
Over the last few hours, we've seen a very rapid snowfall here. The road conditions are getting worse.
Snow totals not as high as predicted earlier in the week, still around a foot, blanketed the Twin Cities over 3 days.
This is a big one for all coming down at once. Yeah, this is a pretty big one.
Coast to coast, treacherous road conditions. Portland, Oregon recording its second snowiest day on record with more than 10 inches. This 20-car pileup in Southern California injuring at least 8 people. A separate system now prompting the first blizzard warning since 1989 for the mountains near LA. The nationwide weather whiplash is remarkable even for February. Across the mid-Atlantic and southeastern U.S., record heat. Unusually high temperatures as far north as Philadelphia.
Having a 70-degree day is just such a welcome break.
But air travel is still dicey. More than 2,000 U.S. flights canceled just today, Lester.
All right, Gabe, thank you. And that takes us to Al Roker. Al, as one storm moves out, another is moving in, impacting the West Coast.
Lester, we have 6 million folks out west looking at winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, blizzard warnings, including the San Bernardino Mountains. First blizzard warning ever issued there. Record lows likely. We're looking at morning lows in Reno in the 20s, Vegas into the 30s, even Los Angeles into the upper 30s, Salt Lake City in the 20s. We're looking at 5 to 8 feet of snow back through the Sierra, but also the San Bernardino Mountains and the Santa Barbara Mountains as well. We're also looking upwards of 10 inches of rain through Southern California, significant roadway flooding and airport delays likely.